Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to get to it. This one was actually really fun to do. I started getting, something just clicked where I could actually get the right angle of the eye sockets and the eyes as well. That's the first time that has happened to me in a sketch, so I was utterly delighted. So the first one took 3 minutes and the second one, which didn't work out as well, took 3 minutes as well. After I got to that point, I just stopped because I knew that it wasn't working. The proportions weren't right. Nothing was going. This was jutting out right there, so you can see right there that that just wasn't right. So I just thought, right, stop there. I know where I've gone wrong. Go to the next sketch. But yes, I can start to see that the improvements are coming more regular now, and the learning methods I'm using are good speed, geometric, observational, and sometimes Loomis. I can also see things when in my mind's eye when I'm sketching, so it's getting I'm getting more progress a lot quicker and sooner, and my sketching is becoming more effective. And yeah, so I'm really happy with that. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you in another one. Bye.